Our Smart Keyless Fingerprint Lock offers so much more than a standard padlock. Keep your items extra secure and don't worry about losing keys or remembering codes by opening your padlock with your fingerprint. This padlock allows you to store up to 10 fingerprints, so perfect for communal areas and items. It's also IP65 waterproof and dustproof rated, so can be left outdoors. The Smart Keyless Fingerprint Padlock has low energy consumption and will last for up to 2 years on standby and for 2,500 unlocks, and when needed, charging is easy with the USB cable provided. When brought from us via the link in the description, it will come with 1 year's warranty, courtesy of iTecHeaven.